Hello guys, this is Al from Open Source Channel. Welcome to a new episode. Today we are going to talk about VPN, and again this video has been brought to you by Smart by Nature. Again, I'm not affiliate. Again, I'm not being paid. This video has not been sponsored. So my view is personal view. They give me a free license to use as a demo, and I'm only going to use it as a demo. As you can see, the price is $68 for 3 devices for 1 year. What I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to install it, and I'm going to show you the actual basic settings and how you go online with the VPN. Now, without any delay, guys, let's start. Again, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos. This is the this is the actual main ShieldApps website. That's where I'm going to download the files. When you actually buy the license from, because it's a lot cheaper, by the way, to buy from Smart by Nature than from ShieldApps, you get the link and the code where to download your software. I already downloaded the software and I saved it in my download directory. And this is exactly what I'm going to do now. I'm going to go through the installation and I'm going to show you how to get started. I'm going to click on install. I'm going to click again install as. I'm going to make sure that everything is installed with all the software that needs to be running. The network. It's very simple to install. It's just one click really, and you can actually find all the information that will be sent to you anyway on how to get started. Now, once it has been installed, that's not been loaded yet, so we need to wait a few seconds more, but it's already there, and we let it start. Now, I'm using this machine because logically it's a little bit fast on the network. This is on 2.5 gigabit network, and I attached it to 2 gigabit internet. So I'm going to put my license key now, and once that's been done, I'm going to click on activate. And this is how simple and fast it is. So now I'm going to click it, and it should be up and down. And as you can see, the registration is successful. So once that's been done, it's been loaded in the background. I'm going to give access to my firewall. So it shouldn't be any problem. I'm only going to give it 6 hours as I am going to do the demo. After that, it will be uninstalled as the key is not forever. Alright, so that's been done, and as you can see, I get the notification on the Windows part. So now once it's been done, I'm going to right click on here, and there we go, we got the VPN, and I'm going to open it. Now it's very simple. As you can see, all you got to do, you choose the country on the left where you want to connect to, and that's it. The stars is your favorites, and the tab, as you can see, on all the countries, then you got the favorites. To get in the favorites, all you got to do, just click at the stars. I'm going to click some of them, some Europeans and some Americans ones, and then I'm going to show you the favorites that has been loaded. Again, it's up to what you want to do it. It's very simple, guys. It's not something, science fiction here. It's something really good and fast, and it's really anonymous. So now let's have a look. Let's go back there. Let's have a look at the settings. Again, the settings are very, very simple. You got data compression, add the blocker as well. That's something is good. Automatically activate the VPN if you wanted to. And also you can actually exit on of course as well, and you got some of the languages as well. You can use data compression. That's up to you really. I'm going to apply it, and then I'm going to press OK, or it will automatically close after so many seconds. Now that we've done that, let's exit and let's start to connect. Let's choose England, for example. Netherlands, Norway. What should I choose? That's Spain there. Well, let's open my browser and let's have a look my speed at the moment. Oops. Anyway, it's quite slow today, this computer. There we go. Let's go to fast oh sorry, let's go to my IP so we can actually see the, well, you won't see my IP, but even though you can see that on the right. So this is the IP that shows that I am in England, United Kingdom I should say, but then I'm going to connect to New York. I think that's what I've done. Now this won't connect because over my firewall I have to give this access first, so I will get an error now. It would not connect. It was trying to connect, so what I got to do, I got to disconnect and connect again, otherwise it won't connect. Only because of the firewall. You will not have, unless you got on a firewall, you will not get the same issues. Let's go back. Let's say New Jersey, and obviously now it should connect in no time, only because I had that problem before with the actual firewall. And then we can see it has been connected. So now if I refresh my IP here, as you can see, it reflects the IP of the VPN. Now I'm going to disconnect and I'm going to try with another IP so you can actually see it. So it says United States there. Let's disconnect. Let's try another one, different part of the world. Israel. Connected to Israel. I'm going to refresh it again. We should have the same IP now of Israel, and it should say the country Israel. And this is how simple it is, to be honest. Now let's have a look at the actual speed, as I was earlier on saying it. Now, by the way, this is Israel, so don't, this is from fast to Israel to me, so that's why it's 9.2 megabit. It's pretty good. If I choose United Kingdom, it will be much faster, for example, even though, as I said, my connection is well over 2 gigabits. Let me try now. Let's see how much I can actually get to my internet connection. On a good day is about 2 gigabit, I should say, not 2 gigabytes. Sometimes I get 900. No, this is extreme, speed. So you really need extreme computers. As you can see, 2.4 gigabit per second. This is how fast the actual network. Mind, I run in a server, so this is the reason why I get this kind of speeds, alright? 2.4, that's pretty good. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little review of the VPN by Smart by Nature, powered by Shields app. Don't forget, all the links are in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos. And oh, by the way, I got 20% off for the PF Sense. I'll try to put it in this description, but you look at my social media and you will find it. So don't forget, guys, smartbynature.co.uk, so where you can buy the actual license, and a lot much cheaper than Shields app as well. So thanks again, guys, and I'll see you next time for a new tutorial, or perhaps a new review for another software. Bye bye.